Here's our review. We're going to correctly identify the plotted points on the number line to start. So first of all, we do have some missing numbers. I'm going to fill them in. We go from 0 to 1, but how many spaces are in between there? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's split into 5s. All right. So it's split into 5, so that means each piece is going to be a fifth. So this is going to be 1/5. This is going to be 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and then 5/5, which is also equal to 1. Now, 1/5, if I split 100 into 5, I get 20. So 1/5 is going to be 0.20 or 0.2, then 0.4, 0.5. If you divide 1 divided by 5, you'll get 0.2. I'm sorry, not 0.5, that last one. 0.6, 0.8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 1. So if you divide 4 divided by 5, you'll get 0.8. If you divide 3 divided by 5, you'll get 0.6. If you divide 2 divided by 5, you'll get 0.4. Same thing when 1 divided by 5, you'll get 0.2. And if you do 5 divided by 5, you'll get 1. All right, so now, well, the first one's done for us. We actually take a look, and we are going to see that our decimal is going to be 0.8, or that's actually like 80%. You can have 0.8 or 0.80, that's fine. And our fraction is actually going to be 4 of the fifths, so 4/5. I don't like how I wrote that 4. 4/5. I don't like how I wrote that 4 either. Oh my goodness. There we go. Let's take a look down here. Negative. Ooh, so we're going to go past -1. We're going to go 1/5 past -1. So that's going to be -1 and 1/5. And then that's actually going to be, so that's -1 and 1/5. And that 1/5 is going to be 20.2. So that's going to be -1.2 or 1.20. All right, now we're going to take a look over here with our opposites and our numbers. The opposite of 1 is -1. Woohoo! That was easy. So we have +1 here and -1. All right, -1.6. The opposite is going to be +1.6. 1.6. So if we have -1.6, so -1, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10 would be down here. So that is going to be -1.6. Now here's that +1, 2, 4, 6. So in a sense, we're going up by 0.2. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. So that's going to go up there. All right, -0.60. The opposite is going to be +0.60 or 0.6. So we have that -0.6. So, or actually, we can plot that positive because we have it plotted already. We have that up here already. So we have 0.6, and then we're going to go -0.6, so 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So it's going to be right there. Don't worry, I know that was tricky, and I know that it's going to take a lot of practice. Do not worry, it's okay. But that's going to be it for our review. Great job.